Human research horrors. From 1932 to 1972, the U.S. Public Health Department conducted an infamous study at the Tuskegee Institute in Alabama. The researchers wanted to follow the natural progression of untreated syphilis in impoverished African American men. The study's participants, 399 of whom had syphilis, were given free general medical care and meals and were told they were being treated for bad blood. However, they were not specifically told that they had syphilis. Nor were they actually treated for syphilis even after it became known in the 1940s that penicillin is an effective treatment for this disease. From 1953 to 1963, in collaboration with the CIA, Army researchers conducted another infamous study called Project MKUltra, in which they gave unknowing human participants, usually soldiers, repeated doses of LSD. The goal of this study was to determine the psychological effects of LSD, but at what cost? Participants were uninformed and endangered throughout the project. Sontag, 2012, Goodwin, 2011. And, in yet another long-term study, carried out from 1956 to 1970. Medical researchers deliberately infected with hepatitis 1 of every 10 children admitted to the Willowbrook State School in New York City, an institution for persons with intellectual disability. The goal of the study was to develop a hepatitis vaccine, but again at what cost? The children were uninformed and endangered throughout the project, their parents were pressured into giving consent. And the goals of the study were not even related directly to the children's disorders. Soon after these and several other scandalous studies came to light in the 1970s, federal regulations were established to ensure that the rights of human participants, particularly those with psychological disorders, are protected in research. As a result of such regulations, every research institute in the United States now has an Institutional Review Board, IRB, that observes and protects the well-being and rights of participants in their studies.